Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maliah. If you guys are new here, and if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all, in today's video, I am not very excited because it is about to be 10 p.m. I am going to be cleaning out my closet. So I think the first thing that I'm gonna do for tonight, I'm gonna focus on my clothes, see what I want, see what I don't want, and then maybe tomorrow then I'll work on the actual closet. I literally have no space for my clothes anymore, and so I'm just like smushing everything in there. Let's go ahead and go to the closet. This is my closet. It looks very dusty, musty, crusty, busty. Especially the bottom. A tornado blew around my room before you came. That's what it is. This is the clothes as you see. It's very much smushed together. So let's move that over. This shirt, no disrespect. You know, I'm not disrespecting God at all whatsoever. I really just don't want the shirt no more. First piece of clothing down. This jacket, it's alright. I don't really like it that much, so we're gonna let this go. This, don't get me wrong, I did love this jacket. I just don't wear it no more. I mean, I need my sister's jacket. It's yellow, got bows on it. Yes, you should give it away. I'm gonna keep this because I like this. It's a half zip. It got a little stain on it that's not going away, but I don't really care about none of that. This shirt is very just boring and plain. That's what it looks like. I don't like the texture of it anymore. Now this jacket, I got this like a few weeks ago. But the thing is, I already got a good cardigan now. So I don't really think I need this no more. I don't need to have two brown cardigans. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna give this away. This, I feel like I've had this thing forever. Should I keep this shirt or should I give it away?
Gotta go. You know what I mean?
It's gotta go.
Your style is evolving so much, you know?
I agree. Keep or delete. Okay. Okay, so now we have finished with all of the shirts. This is all the space that we have. It's not a lot of space, but it did take off a few pounds. Now we're gonna go ahead and work on the pants. I think these are gonna have to go. They're cute and they're super soft, but they're see-through and I don't really like that. I definitely need to get some more jeans. I don't really want these no more. They're cute, they serve their purpose. They have little bows and stuff on the bottom, but I don't really want these no more, not gonna lie. And I got them from Shein. Like, I need to get my jeans from Fashion Nova. I literally got some sweats from them. Tell me why the white sweats are not see-through, but the other sweats that I got are. The white sweats are not see-through, but the yellow sweats are see-through. And I can't even do a return because if I do a return, I have to pay for it. It's gonna take forever. It's just a whole process. Once again, I found some sweats or some jeans from Shein. They feel like weird quality. Let's go ahead and get rid of these two. My mom got me these. These are stacked jeans. That's not really my style, so these gotta go too. So now we have one bag and two bags full of clothes. I will be giving these clothes away. I have clothes that I wash and stuff like that that also needs to be put away. I'm gonna go ahead and just go over those clothes, see what I want, see what I don't want, and different things like that. So let's work on those clothes. Hi guys, what's up? So y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, it is Tuesday. The last time you guys see me, I was recording on Sunday. I literally had no storage. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the clothes I need to put up because I did not put them up, guys. But let's go ahead and work on my clothes right now. getting rid of all these socks. Like, what do I have this much socks for? Let's really be for real. Okay guys, so this is what my room looks like. It looks 10 times better. I still have to clean up my actual closet, which is the hardest part. I think I'm honestly gonna do that this weekend because I can't do it, y'all. I really cannot do that. I will see you guys whenever I see you. Like I said, I think I'm probably gonna see you guys next week or this weekend, sorry, so I can actually like clean up my actual closet and we'll be done with the video. Hi guys, what's up? So it is currently Monday. I know I said I was gonna come to y'all on the weekend. Didn't end up happening, so I did take a day off on Friday. I don't know what happened lately. Like, I've been doing stuff, but I'm just not cleaning the closet out. You know, it's the last thing that we gotta do, so we're just gonna do this and move on with our life. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff away. My closet's gonna look cleaner than it ever did before. Okay, let's go. This is what my closet looks like. It's a lot. Hey guys, so it has been literally weeks, but my closet is done. I completely forgot to end off this video, show you guys the ending, but I did want to go ahead and show you guys the full transformation of my closet. This is the after. Guys, I know the back looked crazy, but it looked a lot worse, okay? It's not crazy, like everything is in like a bag, but they just have to be put right there because the shoes gotta go right here, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, but this was a very fun video. It was a very short video, but that is going to be the end of this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know, comment down below if you have cleaned out your closet or if you cleaned out your room or anything like that. Just deep cleaned for 2026 because it is a new year, new me, new room, new closet. Okay, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.